Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to take data and create it into a table and also a chart. So as you can see here, we have data over the course of 6 months for 3 different species. So to make a table with this data, we would highlight all of it, go to the Insert tab, and click Table. If not selected already, it's going to ask you where you want your data, what data you want to use for the table. As you can see, I already have it highlighted here, so I'm just going to click OK. And now you can see we have successfully made a table in our Excel sheet. Now to make this data into a chart, and do the same thing, go to Insert and go to the Recommended Charts tab. Once we click this, you're going to see we have like a clustered column, line, stacked column, and lots of other options here. But what we want to show for this set of data is the number of species over the course of 6 months. So to show that best, we're going to go with a line chart. We're going to hit OK, and then as you can see, we have our chart right here. And now with this chart, there's a number of things we can do. First thing we can do is give it a title. So let's call it Population Over Time. That. And as you can see, each one is highlighted with a certain color. And it's going to show either the decrease or increase over the course of 6 months. Thank you.